Welcome back to our channel Inside Medical Education. Today I will discuss about 5 important homeopathic remedy for sexual related problems such as premature ejaculation, impotency, erectile dysfunction and sexual debility. So let's begin the indication of 5 important homeopathic remedy. Indication of Damiana. Common name of Damiana or Turnera. This remedy have frequently used in sexual neurasthenia, impotency, sexual debility from nervous prostration, incontinence in old people, chronic prostatic discharge, renal and cystic catarrh, frigidity in females, aids the establishment of normal menstrual flow in young girls. Second most important homeopathic remedy for sexual debility are Onosmodium virginianum. Common name of Onosmodium are false Cromwell. Key symptoms of Onosmodium: want of power of concentration and coordination, headache from eye strain and sexual weakness. It produces diminution of sexual desire in both sex, hence its homeopathicity in sexual neurasthenia. Depressed or lost sexual life in women, neuralgic pains, general prostration, acts as if born tired. Constant sexual excitement, psychical impotency, loss of desire, speedy emission, deficient erection. Third most important homeopathic remedy for sexual debility and impotency are Yohimbinum. Common name of Yohimbinum are Corinanthe yohimbi. Indication of Yohimbinum: excites sexual organs and acts on the central nervous system and respiratory center. An aphrodisiac, used in physiological dosage, but contraindicated in all acute and chronic inflammation of abdominal organs. Homeopathically should be of service in congestive condition of the sexual organs, causes hyperemia of the milk glands and stimulate the function of lactation. Strong and lasting erections, neurasthenic impotency and urethritis. Fourth most important homeopathic remedy for sexual weakness are Nufer luteum. Common name of Nufer luteum are yellow pond lily. Indication of Nufer luteum: produces nervous weakness with marked symptom in the sexual sphere, complete absence of sexual desire, parts relaxed, penis retracted, impotency with involuntary emission during stool, micturition, spermatoria, pain in the testicles and penis. Fifth most important homeopathic remedy are Titanium metallicum. Indication of Titanium metallicum are sexual weakness with very early ejaculation of semen during coitus. So friends, this is the video on 5 most important homeopathic remedy also indicated in sexual related problem. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.